specific volume and density. The specific volume of a substance is defined as the volume per unit of mass. And is given with the density of a substance V on N. The density of a substance is defined as the mass per unit volume and it is therefore the reciprocal of the specific volume. The reciprocal of the specific volume are designated by rho. Specific volume and density are intensive properties. The specific volume of a system is a gravitational field may vary from point to point. Specific volume is a gravitational field may vary from point to point. For example, if the atmosphere is considered a system, the specific volume increases as the elevation increases. Therefore, the definition of a specific volume involves the specific volume of a substance at a point in a system. Consider a small volume delta V of a system and let the mass be designated delta M. The specific volume is defined as V limitation of the delta V on delta M, where to delta V prime. Delta V prime is the smallest volume for which the mass can be considered a continuum. Volume smaller than this will lead to the recognition that mass is not evenly distributed in space, but it is concentrated in particles as molecules, atoms, electrons, and others. This is the tentatively indicated in this picture. In this picture, where the limit of the zero volume, the specific volume may be infinite, this point, the volume does not contain any mass or very small, the volume is part of molecules, and the delta bar prime is where the specific volume is in continuum, mass in continuum. So we have a specific volume also and density at a point of a system. That in a given system we should speak of the specific volume or density at a point in the system and recognize that this may vary with elevation. However, most of the systems that we consider are relatively small, and the change in the specific volume with the elevation is not significant. Therefore, we can speak of one value of a specific volume or density for the entire system. In this book, the specific volume and density will be given either on a mass or a mole basis. So we may have the mass or mole basis specific volume. The mass basis is the dimension of meter cube on kilograms, and mole basis is meter cube on mole. For density, the corresponding units are for rho, we have kilogram on meter cube and mole on meter cube. Also, the SI unit for volume is the cube meter. A commonly used volume unit is the liter. Also, we have liter, which is 1,000 of the meter cube, and change the R to the new dimensions. The general range of the liquids, gases, liquids, and solid magnitude of density are shown in this picture. This is the end of this section. The next section is pressure.